Hi everybody, this is the fourth set in the reading and these alphabets are E, G, F, S, Q and V. So welcome back to Tam Predicts, and these are alphabets I am going to do the reading for. I'm going to use three decks today. I keep changing my decks according to what I get, which deck I get attracted to on that day, when I'm doing my predictions. And these are channel messages. I use uh, tarot as a tool. Everybody knows that, and whoever's been following my channel. So today the alphabets are E, G, F, S, Q, and V. Guys, it's a full moon today. Though this reading is timeless, it is the day. It is the day when full moon is in Scorpio. So emotions will run high. Shallow relationships will end. You will have deep emotions. You'll feel all your emotions and. This day is good for certain kind of surgeries, and also just be careful about not letting your emotions run too high. And the full moon is going to affect people born under Scorpio and Taurus the most. So, guys, let's move on and let's see what is in store for you. This is a timeless reading. The alphabets are important. I'm going to give some lucky colors and also some alphabets which are important. Yesterday, I had a blessed reading when I was doing the third set. There was a flash of light, which is actually that the angels were around me, and I've uploaded that video. It is where the name begins with D and WCHZX. It was for that. And so I'm going to continue with this reading. Let's start. Let's see what's your first card. Let's start the reading. Harmony, music. Work well with someone. You will work well with someone, guys. Make music means harmony here. Both are very. Look at the card. Both partners, both people are happy. It could be also in a love relationship that you're happy with the person you are. You both gel very well together. You have the same likes and dislikes. And I feel some of you have created a band, online band or otherwise. You've created some kind of a band, and one plays one kind of instrument, the other plays another kind of instrument. I also get a lot of earth sign in this one. I get fire and air. I'll see if I do get air, but right now with the first card I get energies from those two elements. And I also feel that you have a younger sister and you have started something, a new project with your sister. Are you working together and there is harmony in the relationship? And this is something about, I don't know why today this is about music. It is creating something musical, or you've created a small skit or something and you've given music to it, some kind of a music note or piece that you've created together. I get this feeling from the card that I just showed it to you. So these are my earth oracle cards. Let's see what are the messages for you guys. Sorry, blessings wanted to come out, though it was reversed. So whatever you're going to do in a few days, I get 3 weeks. I get 3 weeks would be 21 days. After 20 days, things will be fine for you. You will receive the blessings of God or any divine power, anybody you believe in. Higher power or whatever whoever you believe in, guys, whichever god you follow, or anybody that you follow. So you are going to receive blessings, and I think you guys have been praying, and you will get the blessings. So whatever you wanted to start, you can start, or whatever questions you had in your mind, you have the blessings of the divine power with you. Let's see what are the other messages. So whenever I've been doing readings, I've been seeing synchronicity in numbers, and I've been seeing angel numbers, and that's also a blessing for me. And yesterday was a beautiful time when in the video there was a flash of light, and you just and that time I was talking about Archangel Michael. I was also talking about all the chakras. I was talking about the mind eye, and I was talking about all these things, and I really felt nice. And yesterday, while I was doing the reading, I did see 333. That's a very powerful divine number, angel number, and I saw it on my phone, which was next to me. So I was very happy yesterday, guys. So let's see what are your messages today. Nurturing. Nurture something in your life. I feel caring for a child. I don't know why I get this message. Like I told you, every time I read the same card differently, million times differently, your child needs some kind of attention, I feel. And I think it's a kid who's you know not older than 10. I get less than 10. So a boy or a girl, I get more of a boy energy in it. Somebody needs attention. Somebody needs special learning skills. Pay more attention. Pay get Be more patient with the kid. if you're dealing with your kid who takes time learning or is a special child, I think be a little more patient. Don't get irritated even if you have to repeat yourself 100 times, a million times. Just be very caring. Right now the kid needs your nurturing. It needs a caring, it needs the kid needs caring words, or some kind of care or love, or a lot of close contact with you. You're a mother or a father, the kid wants to be held or hugged and is missing something, so probably the emotions are very high of the kid, and the kid needs you around is also what I get. I know you're at home right now, it's a COVID situation, though this is a timeless reading, but if you're listening to it now when it's during the COVID situation, one of your kid needs special attention is what I get. So probably you have two kids, and the channel messages, one of them needs special attention. I also get the younger one probably. This card came again. So nurturing in relationships, nurturing in business, nurturing somebody. I get a more nurturing, not of ideas, but I get somebody needs attention from you. It could be somebody older, somebody who's much older than you are, and so I feel you need to nurture someone, or probably you want to be nurtured. It could be seen that way also. You want to be nurtured also, and you're missing somebody's love. You're missing acceptance or compliments from the person, and I would say the one sentence I would want to use here is that you really want to be loved. That's how you're feeling right now. And this kid. So I just said kid. So it could be kid because sometimes my tongue twists and those are channel messages. So probably that kid needs your attention. You feeling like a kid right now, and I'm sure you much older, but sometimes you just feel like a kid, and you're like, I'm tired of being responsible for so many things, and I also want to be cared for and feel like a child again with no worries and responsibilities. So that could be your mindset right now. This card came again, blessings. So these are repetitive card guys, and blessings are here for you. And like I said, I got it 2 months. I got 21 days. I'm getting 2 months, and I'm getting now 21 days, and I'm also getting 2 months. So blessings are on its way. That's these guys. These cards are repeating, and I'm getting my tongue is twisting. So that time there are a lot of channel messages coming when my tongue twists, and that happens often, especially when I'm receiving a lot of messages. Something to do with ancestors. Some kind of a property matter that's been passed down to you. There is a fight over a will. I get there is a strong energy where there is a fight over a will, and sorry, you guys are fighting, and I think it's dividing a property between two three people, and there is some kind of fight going on. There are a lot of hands means there are a lot of people claiming that property. So there is some kind of ancestral property that there is a conflict about, or the will wasn't written, and now there's a conflict because everybody wants a share in the property. So I get a lot of property matter in this one. Summer months are good for you. I feel till before July things are going to work out for you. July onwards it might be better, but before July, if these are the two important months, if I had to say two important months for you, it's going to be May and June till June end, and till June 30th. And these are good months for you guys. You're going to feel bright, you're going to feel happy, and even though this is a COVID situation, or whenever you're watching this reading, it's a timeless reading. I always say that you're going to feel, it's like bright as the sun, or happy. I'm going to say happy. You're going to feel happy. You will shine from within, and you will feel positive, and you'll get a lot of warmth also from that warmth in the relationship that you were missing, or somebody wasn't warming up to you, or you weren't warming up to someone or something. So I get that energy in this card, that you will warm up to the idea or to someone. I get to someone because in this one I'm getting relationship, a lot of it's all about people. It's not about jobs. So I'm going to say it's all about people right now. I hope today also I get a little blessing in this reading. I hope the guardian angels are around me, and that would be wonderful, guys. Let's see what are the other messages. Love life needs to be sorted. Maybe that's the time you need blessings will come later, because in this situation everything is coming about love, relationships, in the family. I'm not getting a very job or business. Probably money is not on your mind. Money is on everybody's mind every time, but that's not really the the major thing that you're thinking about right now, or probably that is not really impacting you in a much bigger way. Relationships are impacting you right now. You're thinking more about relationships, and that is what you want to solve. So this came reversed, and it says new or renewed romantic love is here for you. So if you wanted you wanted a new partner to come into your life, or you were looking for a partner, or you were wanting to get into a relationship, that will happen, guys. And I said summer months are good for you. It will happen soon, because this card came reversed. So I think it will take time for the for the new love interest, or the person you're going to fall in love with. The person will enter your life, but I feel in a few weeks. So that's another message I get. Unnecessary worries. Yeah, you're worrying too much right now. Be free as a bird. Be free as a bird, and everything will be fine. You will see light at the end of the tunnel. That's how I'm going to interpret it today. So be free. Just let your worries fly away. Maybe that's a message I want to give you. Just let the worries fly away. Don't let them sit in your head. Don't let them burden you. You have too much already. I feel. This group has a lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, and a lot of things going on in the head, how to manage situations, or people, especially people, need attention. In this group, it's all about people, and I think don't worry unnecessary. I think you're overthinking, and you don't need to get up at night to just overthink or to control the situation. If you overthink, you cannot make the situation better, or you if you don't overthink, that's better, because at least you'll lessen your worry and your health won't be impacted. You will feel better, you'll feel more positive, guys. So if you're going to worry, your health will also is going to bear the consequences of that. So don't do that. Let's see what are the messages. These are crystal angel messages. I'm shuffling the cards, guys. I do shuffle my cards fast, but today I'm not. I don't know why I don't want to do that. It's every day is different. I get a lot of purple energy. These two cards came up. It was just the first two cards that I wanted to pick up in the pile. A lot of purple energy. Purple energy is also healing. So somebody needs healing. People need healing in your house, in your life. You need healing. There is some kind of healing that you need to do. I feel do crystal healing, guys. I'm also start going to do crystal healing, and I will make bracelets, and I will positively charge them and send it to the guys who need it. That's what I'm going to do later. But a lot of purple energy healing. You need spiritual protection right now, guys. Protect yourself. If you're dealing with negative energies, protect yourself. Have salt water. Have salt water baths, and you will feel much better. You'll feel less negative, and reveal your true self. As you allow others to know the real you, you'll feel loved for who you truly are. So I said you are not feeling loved. Like I said, I started this reading when I was reading the first few cards. I said I don't know why. You guys are not really feeling loved. You want to be loved. Probably you want to be a child again, you want to be cared for, or you're missing your parents, or your kid needs a lot of love. So there's a lot of, there needs to be a lot of love in this situation, guys. For this group especially, it is all about, like I said, it's all about people. It's all about missing people. It's all about wanting new people to enter your life. So guys, a lot of healing is also required in this group. This card came twice and I didn't take it, but now I'm going to take it because I thought it didn't belong in this reading, but it does. It says there are many layers and dimensions to the situation or person you're asking about. So, guys, there is a situation you're confused about, and there are a lot of layers to it than you think. There's more to the whole situation than meets the eye. Like I always call the iceberg situation. What you're seeing is just the tip of the situation, or just up on the surface what you can see, but you have to dig deeper and find out something. That's what I feel. Intuitions are heightened right now. So go by I know your emotions also heightened because it is full moon today at 10:45. It's the full flower moon today. So guys, your intuitions are going to be really high. Moon is also about intuition. It's about emotions. It's about listening to your inner voice. It's about instincts, guys. So listen to what the fairies are saying to you. Listen to about what your inner voice is saying to you. Get guided by your inner voice, and also get guided by fairies. and whoever is reaching out to you, your spirit guides, if you believe in spirit guides or archangels or ascended masters or whoever you believe in. So they'll try to reach out to you. So just listen to the voices, okay? I don't know why I got the channel message. I want to say be a brave heart. In some situation, you need to be a brave heart, okay? You have to face the situation, is what I get. You have to face the situation, and the moment you face the situation, you'll feel less burdened about the whole thing. You'll feel better, guys. So just face the situation. Let's see what are the other messages. I'm doing a moonology card. I think I should do the moonology card because it's full moon today in Scorpio at 10:45. I'm talking about the Indian time. 10:45 p.m. Surrender to the divine. Surrender to the divine. This is what I got. And I got the full moon. Guys, this is, I'm feeling so blessed. When my cards say what I'm saying, and the moment I talked about full moon, this card came out, it said surrender to the divine. I feel so good, guys. Give all your worries. They are listening to you. Universe has your back. The divine power, divine beings, the spirits, everybody, they have your back. Your loved ones who passed away, they are around you. They're guiding you. If you feel they're guiding you, they're around you. It is so true, guys, and the blessings are here. I feel very nice. So just give your worries away. Let's see what are the other cards. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio, guys. I have goosebumps right now when I'm talking. Today I just spoke to you guys. It's full moon in Scorpio. Look at the card that I got. I am feeling so blessed in the reading. You can't even imagine. This is so beautiful, guys. It's time to release negativity. Whatever you had, I just said negativity. You know, I've been saying these words, and these cards are coming out later, guys. I am, shuffling the duck. The duck. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm shuffling the deck in front of you guys. I should have said, oh, duck. I'm shuffling the deck in front of you guys. And this is what it says. Today is full moon and it's in Scorpio. What other blessings do you need? So all the messages that I've been saying have the blessings of the divine power. So release negativity. You're just thinking over time. You're just thinking too much. Overthinking. It's going to destroy, your health, your happiness. Don't overthink, guys. I got so excited. I love it. I'm sure you can feel my excitement. That's a blessing because I'm shuffling it and I haven't seen the cards, guys. Your dreams need a practical plan. My God, I'm getting too many channel messages. My tongue is twisting, guys. Sorry. Your dreams need a practical plan. This is full moon again. So if you started something in May, this is Taurus energy. I told you full moon is in Taurus and in Scorpio. So for Taurians, this is for you. A practical plan is required, whatever you're starting, guys. Look at this. It is a full moon. It says full moon in Taurus. So today the full moon is in Scorpio and it's in Taurus. I am so excited. So all the messages are for you guys. Probably not all might be for one person, but yes, all the messages are for you guys, and I'm really happy. So whatever you're dreaming about, whatever you have in your mind, whatever plans you had in your mind, whatever dreams, anything impossible, possible, they will come true. And that's a blessing. Let's see what are the other messages. So I should have used the moonology card today. And the messages are so true. Let's see what are the other messages. I'm going to use this deck right now because it is supposed to be this deck. It's about moons, the moon cycle. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. Communication is the key. So communicate with your loved ones. Tell them that you love them. Express yourself right now. It's a month of Geminis right now. May and June is a month of Geminis, our months of Gemini. So communication is the key. If you've not been talking to someone, if you've not been expressing your feelings, please do it. And your words will flow easily. You will know which words to use. You will also, it'll be easier for you to communicate with the other person and express yourself. You'll find it very easy. If you haven't found it easy to say what you feel or whatever you want to say to the other person, right now is the time. The divine power is with you. Whatever you want to say, just say it. And you will not be misunderstood. I get that. So don't worry about it. Let's see what are the other messages. Full moon again. And this is coming reverse. So whatever problems you had in April, if you're an Aries sign, it will it will go. I think there is it will go, and it is also again a full moon card, guys. The problems that you started to face in April will go in May. Don't worry about it. Just let them go. Nothing's going to happen to you. Just release the negativity, guys. So these are not all full moon cards. I'm getting full moon because today is full moon. I did get a new moon also, like I got a new moon in Gemini. And guys, I hardly look at my cards when I'm shuffling, so it's not that I'm taking out cards and then telling you, but yes, it was a validation of what I was wanting to tell you all this while. Prosperity lies ahead, especially for Taurians. Everything is going to be okay. Green color is important for you, yellow is good for you, I get red is good for you. Things are going to be fine, guys. So don't worry. So let me give you a few charms or whatever colors come, and let's see what's happening. I'm going to give you alphabets also, and I'm going to be a little noisy right now. Fish. I ended. I'm going to end this with Piscean energy here. So I'm going to say, oh, fish. Like I said, duck. I get water signs also. I get a lot of water signs because it's in Scorpio. Scorpio is a water sign, and then the water signs are going to be affected. So I get a fish. And white is good for you. I'm going to give one more color. I feel like giving one more color today. It's a very peach kind of a color, guys. Very earthy, or probably it's more like light brown. So this is good for you. It's light brown or very peach. Let me give you a few alphabets. When I was giving alphabets, there was a flash of light. I hope there are my angels are around me because I got good messages while I was doing numerology. So let me see what alphabets are good for you. People, you want to meet with these alphabets. You want to start your brand name business, anything with this cooking classes, whatever you want to name it. You can use some of these alphabets to be more creative while you keeping your brand names. So E is important for you guys. E is important. U is important. Okay, U is a good alphabet for you. O, O duck, O. O is important. There's a blank. So anything that you would think of. I'm going to say anything that you could think of. At this moment, when I showed you the blank, whatever alphabet came in your came into your mind. H is important. B is a good alphabet for you guys. Those were the alphabets. Let me see one more I want to do. One more. Z. I got Z. Yes, so those were the alphabets for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed listening to me. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for taking your time and watching the video. And do subscribe to my channel. Do check out the other videos. And do hit the like button. And do comment in the comment section. I love reading all the comments. Thank you guys. I'll be here with another reading. I really love doing this reading. And you know how excited I was suddenly when I got all the right validations, for my messages. So see you guys again. Thank you so much. Bye.